Hey there, creative decorators and festive enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic that's sure to bring some holiday cheer to your classroom: Christmas classroom door decorations. Whether you're a teacher looking to spruce up your learning space or a student hoping to surprise your teacher with a jolly door design, we've got you covered with ideas, advice, and all the necessary information to make your classroom door the star of the show this holiday season. Let's talk about why Christmas classroom door decorations are such a big deal. Your classroom door is like the gateway to a world of learning and fun, and during the holiday season, it's a fantastic opportunity to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It can boost morale, foster creativity, and help build a sense of community in your school. Plus, it's just plain fun. Now that you're all on board with the importance of classroom door decorations, it's time to get planning. Here are some key things to consider. Start by figuring out how much you're willing to spend. You can create stunning decorations on a tight budget, it just takes a bit more creativity. Decide on a theme that suits your classroom's personality. Whether it's a classic winter wonderland, Santa's workshop, or a Grinch-inspired theme, make sure it resonates with your students and fellow teachers. Make a list of the materials you'll need, such as paper, cardboard, craft supplies, and any props or ornaments you want to incorporate. Set a timeline for when you want to have your door decorated. Planning ahead will help you avoid any last-minute stress. Alright, let's get to the fun part. Here are some Christmas classroom door decoration ideas to spark your creativity. Cover your door with white wrapping paper or craft paper to resemble snow. Create a life-sized Santa Claus cutout with a red suit and white beard. Add elves, reindeer, toy-making tools, and a Santa's workshop sign. Transform your door into a winter wonderland with blue paper for the sky and white cotton for snow. Incorporate snowflakes, icicles, and a friendly snowman. Add a sign that says, "Let it snow." Decorate your door to look like a giant gingerbread house. Use brown paper for the gingerbread, white paper for icing, and colorful cutouts for candy decorations. Hang a gingerbread man or woman cookie cutter as a finishing touch. Turn your door into a giant, open book. Illustrate scenes from classic Christmas stories like The Night Before Christmas or A Christmas Carol. Encourage students to add their favorite book characters or scenes. Craft a giant advent calendar on your door. Add numbered pockets or doors that students can open to reveal small surprises or holiday facts leading up to Christmas. Okay, you've picked your theme, and you're ready to start decorating. Here are some DIY tips and tricks to make your classroom door stand out. Cardstock, construction paper, and wrapping paper are your best friends. They're versatile and budget-friendly. Create intricate shapes, characters, and designs using these materials. Consider making decorations that you can reuse each year. This not only saves you time, but also reduces waste. Get your students involved in the decorating process. It's a great opportunity for them to express their creativity and feel a sense of ownership over their classroom. Add some holiday magic with battery-powered fairy lights. You can use them to outline your decorations or create a twinkling effect. Don't forget to decorate the door frame. You can wrap it in garlands, ribbon, or lights for an extra festive touch. Craft door hangers that can easily be hung without damaging the door. Command strips or removable adhesive hooks are your best friends here. Before you go all out with your decorations, it's crucial to consider safety and your school's policies. Here are some important points to keep in mind. Avoid using flammable materials or overloading your door with lights. Safety should always come first. Be mindful of any allergies your students or colleagues may have when using materials like fake snow, cotton, or scents. Check with your school's administration to ensure you're following any guidelines or policies related to classroom decorations. Ensure that your decorations do not impede accessibility or pose a hazard to anyone entering or exiting the classroom. Once your Christmas classroom door decoration is complete, it's time to showcase and share your hard work with the world. Here's how. Take high-quality photos and videos of your door. Share them on social media, your school's website, or in a holiday newsletter. Encourage parents, students, and colleagues to vote for the best classroom door decoration. You can even turn it into a friendly competition. If your school hosts a holiday open house, make sure your classroom door is a focal point. It's a fantastic way to engage with parents and visitors. Remember, the goal is to spread holiday cheer and create a positive atmosphere. So, don't be shy about sharing your door with the world. Once the holiday season is over, it's time to think about storage and maintenance. Properly storing your decorations will ensure they're in great shape for the next year. Invest in storage containers or boxes that are specifically designed for holiday decorations. Label them clearly so you can easily find your Christmas door supplies next year. Inspect your decorations for any damage or wear and tear. Repair or replace items as needed to keep your decorations looking their best. Engage your students' creativity by incorporating their artwork into your Christmas classroom door decorations. Here are a few ways to do it. Have your students create unique holiday-themed ornaments. These can be made from paper, clay, or even recycled materials. String them together as a garland or use them as accents on your door. Create a collaborative art piece that represents your class's holiday spirit. Each student can contribute a small painting, drawing, or craft, and you can assemble them into a beautiful mosaic or collage. Have your students make handprint cutouts in different colors, which can then be arranged in the shape of a wreath. It's a cute and personal touch that parents will love. Have your students decorate gingerbread people cutouts with their own faces or drawings. Display these on your door, turning it into a gingerbread family portrait. Why not make your classroom door decorations interactive? Here are some ideas that engage both students and visitors. Create a countdown to Christmas on your door. Attach numbered flaps or pockets that hide fun facts, jokes, or small treats. Each day, a student can open the flap to reveal the surprise. Turn your door into a photo booth with cutout props like Santa hats, reindeer antlers, and elf ears. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.